Well, hi, everybody, and good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Going to be a breezy and very warm, if not hot, day out there. Most of us climbing to around 90 to 95 degrees later today. Thicker cloud cover the farther west you go. We should see plenty of sun around the Tri-Cities, maybe a few high clouds out there, even thinner clouds as you get towards eastern Nebraska. But again, those strong southerly winds up there around 15 to 20, for some of you 25 miles per hour. Some of the strongest winds closer to the Nebraska-Kansas border in south central Nebraska and north central Kansas. All ahead of a chance of rain and thunderstorms that will start to fire up this afternoon to the north and to the west. The chances do increase heading into the evening hours. For the Tri-Cities, our best chance will come after midnight tonight. This particular model kind of has things falling apart, though, by tomorrow morning, but some models do keep a decent chance around. I'm going with a 60% chance in the Tri-Cities, although that best chance comes after midnight tonight as the severe weather threat starts to go down a little bit. Some early clouds tomorrow, and still a few lingering showers and isolated thunderstorms to begin our Saturday in central and especially eastern Nebraska. Those clouds will be gradually clearing throughout the morning hours, giving way to quite a bit of sunshine. A little breezy again with those winds once again out of the south, so it will be quite warm. The cold front will not have made its way all the way through the area until the end of the weekend here, so we'll still be ahead of that front. You can kind of see where it is. If you look towards O'Neill to North Platte, the wind change, and more of a southerly wind out ahead of it, behind it more of a northwesterly wind. That's where our frontal boundary is, and that front will take some time moving through. We do have a very slim chance of rain and thunderstorms for Saturday evening. Not a very good chance out there, but as we get into Sunday, chances start to pick up. First up north in the morning hours, and then for the Tri-Cities, a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms by the afternoon hours. The chances will then increase for Saturday evening. Besides tonight, Sunday evening. Besides tonight, Sunday evening is our best chance of thunderstorms as that cold front passes through. You can kind of see again where that cold front is from about Omaha to Grand Island to McCook. You can see the south wind's ahead of it. Behind it, a change to more of an easterly wind or a northerly wind in some spots out there. So severe weather would once again be possible. Now, speaking of severe weather, we do have a chance from about the Tri-Cities area north and westward late this afternoon and into the evening hours. Your best bet, north central Nebraska, north of Highway 20. Damaging wind gusts, the biggest threat. Maybe some large hail, not much of a tornado threat though later today. But as for the Tri-Cities area, the chances not great of seeing severe weather, because I think our best chance of rain holds off till after midnight as those storms will then be weakening. Tomorrow, very slim chance of rain and thunderstorms. But if something does fire up in the evening hours, we do have a chance of severe weather. I just don't expect it to be very widespread. I think it'll be very isolated activity where most of us stay dry and only a few lucky folks actually see precipitation out there. I do think actually Sunday's chance is better. In fact, right now the Storm Prediction Center only has areas of northern and western Nebraska highlighted with a marginal threat of severe storms. I think this will eventually be expanded southeastward with the updates that will come out in the coming days ahead here. So that's something to keep in mind. In fact, I wouldn't even be surprised if there's an upgrade to a slight risk in the coming outlooks that will come out tomorrow, and then again tomorrow afternoon and Sunday morning. So keep an eye on that one as we head through the weekend. Well, temperatures for today going to be on the toasty side, lower 90s up north, partly to mostly sunny with the chance of some afternoon thunderstorms. Better chances tomorrow or during the evening hours, of course. Out west, you have a chance of some afternoon thunderstorms as well. Otherwise, partly cloudy skies, highs in the upper 80s around Oglala, otherwise low to mid 90s elsewhere. About 91 to 93 around the Tri-Cities, a little bit warmer in northern Kansas, mostly sunny skies, very breezy conditions, and to the east plenty of sun as temperatures also climb into the low and mid 90s. So today the hottest day of the forecast, although it still remains quite warm and slightly above average over the weekend. Again, that best chance of rain coming tonight for the Tri-Cities after midnight, lingering into very early tomorrow morning through about 9 or 10 o'clock. Then we get lots of sunshine that returns. That small chance of rain and thunderstorms Saturday evening. It's not a very good chance. Sunday dry for the morning hours, but by the afternoon a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms. Better chances Sunday evening. That's our second best chance in the forecast here. As we get past that, then that front makes its way all the way through, so we cool it back next week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, more in the way of 80s, not so many 90s out there. In fact, by Tuesday, maybe lower 80s. But the chances of rain not too promising. There's a couple of small chances in the forecast here and there, mostly during the nighttime hours. They're not much better than about 20% chances of rain and thunderstorms here. So I'm not expecting a lot of precipitation. Temperature-wise, mostly looking at lower to mid-60s for overnight lows, so those lows will also get a little bit cooler. So there's your forecast. Again, we have to deal with the heat for a few more days. Not a lot of humidity, thankfully, and the winds will be a little more noticeable here the next couple of days before we see those rain chances again. Again, best chance of rain late tonight, second best chance coming in Sunday evening for the Tri-Cities area. Well, there you go. There's your forecast for today. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. God bless.